Hey, what's up everyone? You can see I've got the boat scooted over, and in this week I'm going to start putting the primer down. Then I'll sand that, and I've already got several of the spots faired. I've got some of it sanded, but just need a lot of sanding and fairing and cleaning this up and taping off, and then starting the painting process, which it's the same as the other side, so I'm not going to bore you with all the details. But anyway, I'll get this done, get that sanded, get this side all painted, hopefully pretty quickly, and I'll just show you some of the steps and definitely what it looks like in the end. Then I can move on to the bottom, and then of course jump inside, get all that finished. So let's get started. Alright, just spent the last few days fairing and sanding this side of the hull, and yesterday I put on the high build primer, and I'm getting ready to sand that off. I'm putting the guide coat on. I'm fixing to start sanding this smooth, and then I'll be able to start putting on the first coat of paint. So get after that. I'm not showing all the detail that I showed on the other side, because it's basically just the same thing, but if you're curious how I did all this, or if I left something out, you can always go back and look at the other videos. But hey, what's up everyone? So I've had a pretty stressful 2 weeks. I've had to go out of town for work, and so I apologize for not putting up a video last week, but you can see that I went ahead and painted this side of the boat. Now, I've only got 2 coats on there. I did the primer, block sanded that, then I put 2 coats of the Alex Seal paint, and so I need to sand this and then put the final coats on, but I'm out of paint. So while I'm waiting on that paint, I'm going to go ahead and start on the bottom. You can see here that this has the barrier coat already on it, and I've started scraping some of the bottom paint off. So I just need to get through here and scrape all of this off on both sides, and then of course I've got to dig in and sand all this back, and you know, sand all this away, glass it back in, and then fair it real nicely just like it is now. There are no blisters. It's just because they took really good care of the bottom of the people that owned the boat before me. So what I'm going to do, or what I do, is I use this scraper right here. Very good tool, and then I just scrape it right off. After it scrapes off, well, I've already done most of this. You can see how it is right here. This is where I use this tool. And I've done some of it lightly, but it'll look like this right here. Like this area right here. And then I can easily just go back with a sander and sand that. But anyway, I'm gonna get started on that and see how it goes. Alright, Sunday morning on Father's Day. I've been out here working, and you can see I've got a large portion of the bottom sanded and down to the existing barrier coat. Of course, I'll go back over that with some more barrier coat and bottom paint, but that's all the time I got for today. You can see how hot it is out here, how much I've sweated, and or how much I'm sweating and how hot it is. So I'm going to get out of here and go enjoy some Father's Day dinner. See ya.